Hello friends, this is Dr. Rakesh Mittal, Senior Surgical Faculty at E-Conceptual. We have completed 4 years of E-Conceptual Surgery Learning and Teaching Program. There are lots of surgical faculties at our E-Conceptual Institute, prominent, eminent faculties, senior, retired faculties from best of the medical colleges, including Maulana Azad Medical College. I myself have done question answer sessions on different topics in surgery. E-Conceptual has a comprehensive content, everything, theories, practical examinations, clinical vivas and clinical examination classes, how to examine the patients, even the international exams, OSCE classes we have, and the question answer discussions, everything. So you'll find complete surgery package at E-Conceptual. So that's a advantage of being at the E-Conceptual, and we wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and will continue helping you, assisting you, all the PGs, all the surgical graduates, postgraduates, or surgeons later in life, all through their stages in their surgical career. So I thank you again for being attached to E-Conceptual. Thank you and good luck.